Hey, what's up, guys? A lot of people are asking me how to get involved with the NFT space. Like, what are you looking for? How are you finding them? And how can you kind of explain all of this to me? So, I'm going to show you guys how I've made some decent money in the last few weeks trading NFTs and how to get involved. So, first of all, if you don't have a MetaMask account, if you aren't, knowledgeable or have experience interacting with these smart contracts, just buying and selling cryptocurrency, we have a ton of videos and I'll post them in the comment section, like how to download MetaMask and our early videos on NFTs and things like that. So let's get started. I'm going to show you some of the sales I've done in the last day or two on this account. So the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, that shit exploded. So I was trying to mint on the website for 2.5 ETH and the floor just doubled literally within 5 minutes. I had to get one for 5.44, flipped it in 7 minutes for 8 ETH. That same one flipped for 12 ETH. We bought another one for 5.5 and we have it listed for 27 ETH right now. We have an offer for 17 ETH, but I think we can get more. These are another project that I found, El Cabone. I tried to buy mint price yesterday, 0.06, and it's literally 10x over 10x over the floor price. I got two of them, and then Gary V posted in his Discord yesterday, check out Creatures, do your own research. I think it's a great project. I bought one right away. I bought it for 0.99, listed it for double pretty much, and sold that as well. And I have other Opensea accounts which I'm flipping NFTs, but I just want to show you guys these sales. So what am I doing to find these, or how do I know if it's a great project? So let's open one project up and let's take a look at all the metrics. So first of all, this is the one I flipped right now. This morning I woke up to find it flipped, and you can see the transaction history right here, and he's just holding it actually. So let's go to the actual project and you can see all of the metrics right here, and this is some of the stuff that I like to look at. Most of the projects are releasing 10,000 items. You want to see that the amount of holders is good, like 4.4 thousand is awesome for 10,000 pieces. That's almost 2 pieces per one person. You want to see that like thousands of pieces or hundreds of pieces aren't all stacked in one wallet and he's kind of controlling the market and the prices, or he can dump his NFTs anytime. I also love looking at the floor price because this means the cheapest NFT listed at this current time, and that is let me just click the floor price, and that's 1.99 ETH. So if you want to buy an NFT from the Creature World NFT right now, the cheapest you'd be buying one is for 2 ETH pretty much. So the floor is 2 ETH. That doesn't mean that's the highest sale price. If we look at the highest last sale, that will load up in a second. Opensea is going a little slow. There's thousands of people using it, so I'm not surprised, but come on. Let's get buy now out of here. Let's go highest last sale. And it's glitching a little bit. So we'll look at a few more projects. But not happy. Okay, there we go. So the highest last sale was 30 Ethereum, 25 Ethereum, 25 Ethereum, and you can kind of just see what they're going for. If you click on one of these NFTs, you can go into their properties, and then you can see at the rarities, like what kind of NFTs they're holding, what they have to offer, and what kind of like rarities are they. So you can see here he has a 20 ETH offer right now. If we click the actual nighttime rarity here, you can see all the NFTs that hold it as well. So this one's actually 1 for 1. He bought it for 30 ETH. He has it listed for 190 ETH. When I bought this project yesterday, the floor price was under 1 ETH, and now it has doubled. So I'll look at floor price, I'll look at the activity. I want to make sure that, a bunch of these are being bought up, unless you're coming in early and you think the project's going to do so well, and you kind of have, this insider information, you could say, and you're the only person buying it up. But you have to really be careful because I think 99% of these projects will be worthless. So you can see here 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 7 minutes, 7 minutes, 8 minutes. You can see that these are being bought up right now at pretty close to near floor price, and a lot of these NFTs are changing hands. So people won't sell it for under 2 or 1 ETH after thousands of people have bought it. And that's just because Gary Vee said, look at this project, and it literally exploded. So let's look at a few more projects and we'll look into how to actually find them. So I was talking about Al Cabones yesterday. I posted that in our Discord. At mint price, it 10x'd. I bought one for 0.45. And let's see if this is the zero. Yeah, I bought it for 0.45 17 hours ago, so less than 24 hours ago. And then you can see here as well that the floor price is almost double. So OpenSea is going a little bit slow, but that's expected with thousands and thousands of people using it. So we click the floor price, and then you can see it'll take a little bit to load up. Yesterday it was going pretty quick, not gonna lie. But you can see here, if we go to the floor price, which had just loaded up, you can see 0.65 and then 0.75, 0.75, 0.75. So if I sold both of my Al Cabones, I'd be at a half Ethereum profit. But the way they do some of these releases is all of these are the same picture. So they're not going to actually release the NFTs for the next 12 hours, or they mint them and then you have to wait 24 hours. So it kind of builds some some momentum, and it kind of builds, everybody's like patiently waiting, and you don't know who's going to get the rare ones. So people are actually selling them before they're revealed, and I'll probably sell one before it's revealed so I can secure that profit and then have the next one for free. And if I get a rare one, then it could be worth 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 ETH. Who knows? Like it's just going crazy. I want to touch on the CryptoPunks as well. I posted that at about 250k floor. I mean, people have been posting it at 5k, 10k, 50k, but I'm talking about just a quick trade. It moved up back to 450k, and now it's sitting at 350k. So if it falls to 250, 150k, I may snatch one. That's kind of where Visa bought theirs at $150,000. So I would feel comfortable buying mine at that price point as well. Let's go into where we can find these projects. I'm going to open up, this is nftcalendar.io. You can check out all the NFTs that are being released here, but I really like the rarity.tools website, rarity.tools. I'll post that as well. You can see all the collections here by volume as well, by 7-day volume, and you can see some of the popular trends before they become number one, and then you can jump on those. So Meebits by CryptoPunks as well, by Larva Labs, and then you have the Mutant Ape Yacht Club and the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which are just slaying. So we'll go to upcoming right here, and this is how I found Al Cabones. This is how I found some new upcoming ones, which I will share right here. Al Cabones was yesterday. We have colony.online tomorrow. We have entities Mind Pass, not tomorrow, but September 1st for both of these, and then Crypto Dads, which I'm looking forward to. So I found all those here by just scrolling through them and looking at the projects, opening up their Twitter, looking at amount of followers they have, looking at their website, looking at the project and thinking like, is this going to do well? Are people going to buy it? Do they have a huge community base? And, looking at all that information. So here are a lot of them that are happening today. This is Monday, 1 p.m. This is before it goes on Opensea. This is the public auction that you can actually mint them directly off their website. And if you get lucky and you pick a great project, not only can it 10x, it can literally 100x. A lot of these projects that you get off mint are 10xing before they even hit OpenSea. It's crazy to see this type of gains happening. A lot of my trader friends are becoming NFT traders just until the fad, slows down. So I'm looking at projects, I'm looking at the supply, a lot of these 10,000 NFT supplies. So I started looking for something a little bit less. So you can see Cuban Doge has 11 total. And then we look at the Twitter. I saw Cuban Doge has a ton of followers. And then you can actually take a look at their website, and you can go deeper and deeper, and you can look at great projects. So you see, this is Farmers Marketverse, which actually sounds interesting. That's Tuesday, tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. So I'll open the website. I'll open the Twitter. Has 2,000 followers. Nobody that I know is following or being followed by it. So 5K NFT, green thumbs, chefs, 9 fivers, home cooks, farmers, and free spirits, meeting up the Farmers Marketverse releasing Tuesday. So we open up the website. Looks pretty cool, not gonna lie. Then we can look deeper at the utility, what the what the NFTs offer, how much they mint, yada yada yada. Join their Discord, ask all the questions, and then you can see like what they're doing. So you can see here their roadmap with 25% sold. We'll introduce the farmers market verse. When 40% sold, we'll purchase our first of many plots in the metaverse. Where we'll buy out a fully functional virtual farmers market, and then you can see all their roadmap, their statement, their mission, and then you can decide to invest in it or not. So another way to get on top of the hottest crypto NFTs is following large Twitter accounts. Crypto Twitter is where it's at. Alex Becker is a great person to follow in terms of NFTs. His crypto advice, selling Bitcoin, buying Bitcoin. He's not a trader. He's just hopping on fads. Very smart guy. Not putting him down at all. Just like follow his NFT advice. Anybody else giving trading advice? I'm not the biggest on following other people's trading advice, but when people spot good or like awesome NFT projects and you can get in before the crowd, that's where it's at. Same with JRNY Crypto. Follow, hit the all notifications, and that's where you can start like seeing some of these projects when they come and when they're released. They'll tweet them right away. That's actually how I found the Mutant Board 8 Club, because I got tweets. I'm following these guys, and you get the tweets, and then I just jumped on it. So when I'm on Twitter, it's like packed with just crypto things. You see, this is my brother right here. Bought the Incognito for 0.246 in 16 liters, sold it for 1.9 ETH. He bought it for 850, sold it for $6,000, and he could have probably got more for it. So like, it's just the NFT market's blowing up. You can see here, CryptoPunk bought for 14 ETH. That's probably an accident, or somebody buying or selling between their accounts, because like we just saw, the floor is at 350K, so you can list it for 300K and probably sell it the same minute. And you can just see some of the people that I'm following, all they're posting is NFTs or trading content, and those are, you're looking at the comments, you're really like deep into the, in the trenches, looking for good projects. Projects that a lot of people are following, that a lot of people are mentioning, that have maybe giveaways. So the Incognito project, which me and my brother joined, they actually were giving away a free punk. Out of 10,000 of those NFTs, you could win a free crypto punk. Same with Crypto Dad. Let me see if it's right here. Crypto Dad's NFT. You can actually win a Rolex or a Ford Raptor and Rolex. You can win one of the either two. So you build this huge community, you build utility, you build games on top of it, a whole metaverse, and there's so much that's happening. But let me end it with this. 99% of these projects will end up being worth $0. 99% of these projects will end up being worth $0. There will be a ton of dips and peaks, and you need to really be cautious, and you can't be emotional and just throw all your money at these NFTs at the top, or just because this one you think it looks good. You need to really go in there with the game plan. You'll lose a few, you'll win a few. It's all part of the game. If you have any questions, put them below. Join our Discord. We're posting about NFTs all the time, all the new projects that are coming out, and then random projects that we find that are being tweeted, or just randomly find that are being, that are out in public sale. We'll post them right away, so anybody can have the opportunity to 5, 10, 15, 20x. The market's literally going crazy right now, and you don't want to miss out. So make sure to hit the like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. We'll see you guys tomorrow.